Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of chaos theory, a fascinating journey that will challenge your understanding of order and randomness. Picture this. Imagine dropping a single droplet of water into a calm pond. What do you expect to see? Ripples spreading out in perfect circles, right? But what if I told you that sometimes, just sometimes, those ripples become something unexpected, something wild and unpredictable? That, my friends, is chaos theory in action. It's all about finding order in chaos and chaos in order. Let's take a closer look. Imagine a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil. Seems harmless, doesn't it? But what if that tiny flutter sets off a chain reaction of events? A gust of wind here, a storm brewing there, until before you know it, there's a tornado halfway across the world. That's the butterfly effect, a key concept in chaos theory. It says that small changes in one place can lead to big changes elsewhere. It's like a ripple effect, but on a cosmic scale. Now, let's talk about strange attractors. No, not mystical magnets or alien invaders, although they might sound like it. Strange attractors are like magnets for chaos. They're mathematical patterns that draw chaotic systems toward them, creating mesmerizing shapes and patterns. Think of chaos theory as a wild dance between order and randomness. It's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle, constantly shifting, always surprising. So next time you see a butterfly flapping its wings or a storm brewing on the horizon, remember, chaos is all around us, waiting to be unraveled. And with chaos theory as our guide, we're one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Thank you for joining us on this whirlwind adventure through chaos theory. May your curiosity continue to spark new discoveries in the world around you.